Oh, hello. Where's the beef? What's going on? It's Cat Trend, the Kitchen Kitty, and we're gonna add a little Latin and Chinese flair to your meat potatoes. You're getting a sexy makeover today from this Peruvian beef stir fry with green magic sauce. For the ingredients, I got a pound of New York strip or top sirloin. We're gonna season that with oregano, cumin. We're gonna add a little sauce of soy sauce and vinegar. And to that, we're gonna stir fry that all together with French fried potatoes, sliced red onion, some tomatoes, some chopped cilantro to finish it off. And then for a little heat, we're gonna add a little ají amarillo, and we're gonna serve that over quinoa. First things first, gonna take the meat. I got a thin slice from the store. We're gonna slice it in thin slices, just like that. Remember, you wanna go against the grain, makes it more tender. To our meat, I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit of oil. We're gonna marinate it, just like that. I put a little, like half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of cumin. We're gonna apply salt, a little pepper. I'm just gonna use my hands. I'm gonna watch this easier. We're gonna mix this together. We're gonna set it aside, and then we're gonna move on to make our potatoes. In this recipe, we're gonna make French fried potatoes. We're gonna add it to the stir fry. I'm gonna show you how it's done, how we're gonna make them nice and crispy right in the air fryer. We're gonna slice these potatoes into fry shape, that. So you have it like that. There you go. Easy. So this, we're gonna soak them for about a half an hour. We're gonna, change the water out about halfway through. And the reason we do that is it pulls some of the starch out from the potatoes, so we're gonna have them extra crispy. To the stir fry. Got about a little less than half a red onion. We're gonna slice it thin. We're gonna take our tomato, cut the ends off. And we're gonna finish it off with some cilantro. And there you go. Stir fry sauce, just you know what? It's quick and easy. 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, set that aside. I'm gonna put quinoa on the stove, cook it according to the directions. Quinoa is just a grain, adds a little extra protein. But you know what? You could use white rice, brown rice, if you're a low carb or cauliflower rice. Whatever floats your boat. It's all gonna be tasty. These sat for about 30 minutes. About halfway through, I just swapped the water, but you know what? We're gonna drain them. And then we're gonna pat them dry. So I'm gonna put them on the sheet pan. You'll wanna dry them as much as you can. This keeps them super crispy. Getting rid of that water. We rinsed out some of that starch. We're gonna drizzle them. I'm gonna liberally season them. Pepper, like that. I got my quinoa going on the stove. It's gonna take 15-20 minutes, but at the same time, I'm gonna pop these fries in the air fryer. You want it set about 350 for about 20 minutes, and we're gonna check on them. While those fries are cooking, I got my grain cooking. Let's get a little saucy. Our magical green sauce. Got some Greek yogurt, a little Parmesan cheese. I have cilantro, 1 or 2 jalapenos depending on your spice level, and some lime. Green sauce, super easy. And take some Greek yogurt. About a handful of cilantro, 1 seeded jalapeno. I like it spicy. I put about 1.5, 2. Juice the 1 lime. It's like a handful of Parmesan. Drizzle olive oil. So to that, we're gonna put some salt, black pepper, lid on. Remember, you gotta scrape it down. You just let her roll till she's all nice and blended. It's all nice and blended. You got a great sauce. You can put it on fish, chicken, tacos. It'll keep in your fridge for 2-3 days. salt, pepper, whatever you like. There you go. 20 minutes went by. Check the fries, they're almost there. Depends on your fryer. I add about 3 more minutes, and these are almost ready to roll. Now let's start stir fry. So I took the fries out. I'm gonna set it. Got the fries. Got our stir fry ingredients. We got our meat. We got our soy mixture. And then we're gonna put a little spoon of this ají amarillo. If you can't find this, you can find a yellow bell pepper. Or if you can't find it, you don't need it. So you know what? Just have fun, no rules in the kitchen. We got all our ingredients together. Now let's get cooking. To a hot pan, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're gonna add meat. We're just gonna cook it till it's brown on the outside. Let it go for about 5 minutes. It's gonna go, and we just wanna brown it for a little bit. Then we're gonna transfer it to a bowl, like that. Put this back on. Add another tablespoon of oil. We're gonna cook our onions down. About 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes to get nice and soft. Onions are going for a little bit. They're getting softer. So now we're gonna throw our tomato. Stir this up. Cook down about 5 minutes. Tomato is gonna be cooking down. They're gonna get a little soft like that. See? We're gonna add our soy. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of our ají. Let's stir that up. Now we're gonna add the meat. We just cooked it for another minute or 2. It's gonna thicken up. The meat's gonna finish off in that sauce. And then one last thing we're gonna do, add some fries. Just like that. Turn the heat off. Took it off the heat. I'm just gonna sprinkle some cilantro. And that's that. We got our quinoa, we got our stir fry, and then we got our little green magic sauce. Let's put this together. We're gonna plate it. Stir fry. Put a little bit of our sauce on the side. You can always add more. Let's give this a shot. A little quinoa. Get a good bite. The meat. Dip it in the sauce. Now that's some food porn. You got, that meat, that potato soaked up all that juice. You got that green sauce with just the right amount of heat. Adds a little coolness, a little freshness, a little magic. Now that's called a home run. Thank you so much for joining my kitchen. I appreciate you being here. My name is Katrin, the Kitchen Kitty. Please like, subscribe, share, leave your comments below. I will get back to you. And as always, ciao.